Two productivity giants go head-to-head, but which platform makes getting things done easier? On one side, Asana, renowned for its clean interface and seamless task management. And on the other, Bitrix24, packing a wide range of business tools in one powerful suite. We're putting them through the paces in real-world scenarios, covering everything from collaboration, features, pricing, integrations, and more. Let's cut through marketing claims and see how they stack up where it actually counts. Each area earns points along the way, so you'll know exactly which platform wins in each category, but trust us, the winner may surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's the game plan. I'm pulling up a mind map of every category we're gonna compare. We'll look at price, features, ease of use, integrations, scalability, and of course, security and compliance. That way every angle gets covered, nothing's left behind. So let's kick things off with price. Asana has a pretty robust free plan that covers most of what small teams need. Their paid tiers are simple and honestly make sense as your team grows. Only downside: you gotta pay extra for the flashier stuff. Bitrix24, on the other hand, also starts off free, but wow, the pricing structure? It's, complicated. Like there's a tool for everything, but most essentials are hidden behind higher tiers. You do get a lot if you pay, but wrapping your head around which plan has what, not so straightforward. This round goes to Asana for just keeping things clean and simple. Alright, features, this is where things get interesting. Asana, it's got your classic task management, timelines, calendars, even some basic workflows, but if you want things like a CRM or phone calls, nope, not built in. Now Bitrix24, oh, it goes all out. CRM, calls, HR tools, chat, file management, even automation. Seriously, it's like they put a whole Swiss Army knife in here. But fair warning: the sheer number of features can feel totally overwhelming and some modules aren't super deep. Still, if you want an all-in-one powerhouse, Bitrix24 definitely flexes harder in features. Ease of use, this one's huge if you want your team to actually, use the tool. Asana just nails this. It's crazy intuitive, super clean, and you're not fumbling through 1,000 menus. Maybe not as super customizable, but hey, you get going fast. Now Bitrix24, yeah, there are onboarding guides, but the interface is complicated. Like even I had to pause and go, wait, where is that thing? The learning curve's pretty steep here. Gotta hand it to Asana for making life easy. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Bitrix24 actually started as a social intranet before going all in on business software? And Asana's founders, get this, they were literally engineers at Facebook. Small world, right? Integrations, basically, can you connect your favorite apps? Asana, oh man, it's got integrations everywhere: Slack, Google Drive, you name it. Super strong API too. Only catch, some of the good integrations cost you. Bitrix24 does have its own integration marketplace, which is nice, but most everything feels focused on its own ecosystem and you don't get quite the same range. So if you're all about connecting everything, Asana's where it's at. Alright, scalability, how well does each one grow with your business? Asana is awesome for small businesses, startups, and teams who want things simple and focused. But you'll hit limits if you need serious business tools, no native CRM, stuff like that. Bitrix24, though, it's built for wild growth: chat, CRM, HR, sites, the works. The trade-off? Managing it all gets complicated fast, almost like you need an IT person just to keep up. Still, if all-in-one and big teams is your vibe, Bitrix24 your winner for scalability. And finally, security and compliance. Honestly, both bring their A-game. Asana's got SOC 2 Type II, so you know data in good hands, and Enterprise SSO if you need it. The catch? Advanced controls only pop up in paid plans. Bitrix24 matches up, a lot of access controls, it's fully GDPR compliant, but some key security settings are only for self-hosted or on-premise versions. There's really no clear knockout punch here, so I'm calling this one a tie. Let's line these two up on a radar chart. You'll see exactly where one outshines the other. Some spikes for features and scalability on Bitrix24, but Asana totally holds its own for ease of use and integrations. Visual proof that neither is a total winner across the board. You really have to think about which categories matter most to you. So after all that, here's my take. If you want something your team will actually adapt to quickly and your main focus is just staying productive, Asana is honestly hard to beat. But if you're hungry for an all-in-one business suite, something that covers everything from CRM to HR to project management, Bitrix24 is super compelling. Asana wins for daily usability, but Bitrix24 will do more if you're running a big, complex operation. If you like this comparison and you want more deep dives like this, follow along because there's a ton more coming your way.